Hello everyone, this is the 17th time I'm shooting my intro and I hope you guys are doing good. And it's been a long while that I haven't posted anything, and I think you guys missed me and I missed you guys all. And yeah, so today I'm going to review a product and which is basically a face wash, and this is going to be a very short review video, and but I will try to wrap up all of the important things within it. So yeah, चलिए start करते हैं. Before going to the review part, one thing that I would really like to suggest you all is that if you are going to buy anything, especially your skincare, just go through the ingredient list first. All of the ingredients, not only the key ingredients, because it is not important what the brand is claiming, but the most important thing is what they are using to make the products and how they are using the things, which is basically the formation to make this product. So yeah, this is very important. Do that and research that on Google whether it is going to suit your skin type or not. Okay, so I just lowered down the brightness level a little bit so that you can see the texture of my skin and what is going on. My skin feels super dry nowadays. It was oily some years before, and it was combination some weeks back, but nowadays it feels really dry because of some reasons. I'm going to that. And I have been using the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser for last 3 years, and everything was fine, but because of the lockdown is going on, जो मेरा product था वो पूरा ख़त्म हो चुका था. तो I thought of trying something else, and I went for this because this was really available, very easily available in any shops, and this is like really a hyped one in Indian market for oily skin type. And I used to have actually pretty oily skin, so yeah, this is the Clean and Clear face wash, and it is by Johnson & Johnson. By no means I'm going to say bad thing about this brand, because this is a very well known brand and there are several products by Johnson & Johnson which is really good. But I particularly don't like this face wash because this really dried my skin out really badly, and really I really had bad experience with this one. I have been using this for last 2 weeks, not have been, actually I don't use this anymore, but I use this for 2 weeks long, and it totally ruined the moisture barrier of my skin. So yeah, it says that it is oil free and it won't clog the pores. Total Clear technology gently removes dirt, oil, pimple causing germs. It removes dirt and oil maybe, but it does not remove anything gently. To be really very honest with you guys, it is really harsh on skin, and it by no means it anywhere matches the pH level to us, our normal to the normal pH level of our skin. It is really, I think it is very harsh. I don't know why. And one thing that I really want to mention in this context is that if your face wash makes your skin feel super dry after using it, this is not the right face wash for you. This is not the right thing. Some people with acne prone skin and oilier skin, they think that if some cleansers make their face super dry, that means that all of these things are working good on them. No, this is not the thing. This is very dangerous for long-term use, so don't use that. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the ingredients. And okay, so the first thing is water, which is fine, but the second ingredient here, which again I cannot pronounce, but I have researched on it and I found that it is sort of harsh if the proportion is high, and yes, no proportion is indicated in the list. And then there is C915 alkyl, which is basically a esters of synthetic C915 alcohols with phosphoric acid, which also can be very irritating for our skin if it doesn't suit your skin type, or you have really sensitive skin. There are ingredients like myristic acid, lauric acid and glycerin which are fine, but it contains color and fragrance which I really don't like to be in my skincare. They also used BHT, which is generally a treatment for herpes, but I think they used it for antibacterial purpose, which is also fine. But my problem is with so much parabens are added in this particular face wash, and as we all know that too much paraben is not good for our skin if it is used in a very high quantity. And all of these ingredients I think together made my skin super dry and bad and flaky. First of all, I'm very mad at first place because there is no ingredient list mentioned on the back of the packaging. So perhaps because of all of the ingredients and everything, it does not at all suit my skin type. It totally destroyed the pH level, the moisture balance and everything of my skin. And yeah, maybe you cannot see it because I am wearing a moisturizer, but if you see me without the moisturizer, you could really see how dry my skin looks nowadays. So yeah, I don't recommend using this face wash. I don't like it. I don't know what the hype is all about. Some people are really swear by this product, but I don't know. I wish it worked on my skin, but it didn't. So yeah, that's all. And this is all about the video. I hope you find it helpful, and नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलती हूँ. तब तक के लिए बाय, और आप अपना ख्याल रखिएगा.